There we go. A little bit flat on the back. So, there we go. Cool. Press. Right. Better. There we go, that's perfect. Yeah, stay there, stay, mate. There we go. Yeah. And as soon as you start braking, drop your weight. Drop. There we go. Yeah. Better. Yes, that's the best one. Forward. Yeah! That's good. Come on, come on. Level. Yeah, that's much better. Bad. That's it. Stand and safe. Yeah. And back up again. Right there. Back a touch. Ah. Hey. Forward a little bit. Yeah. Oi. Stay there.